we're a charity called Quaker Social Action, which has been running for nearly 160 years. And the service that I manage direct support for is a funeral poverty service called Down to Earth. And our role is to support people who are on low incomes and benefits who are struggling with funeral costs. And we also do a lot of campaigning work around local and national government and the funeral industry to hopefully make the circumstances better for the people that we support. We were finding that our helpline service was hugely oversubscribed. We are a very small team here and we cover the whole of the UK. So we wanted to make sure that we were doing the best we could with our digital service so that most people could get all the help they needed through our website.
QSA really had very high demand, when it comes to their people calling their helpline, for help. So the people in the contact center were really stretched. Yeah, they tried working with volunteers to answer questions from people, but it still didn't clear up the long line.
We were considering whether to implement some AI tools, sort of an AI kind of chatbot or an AI supported live chat, and sort of look at the options there to hopefully take the pressure off the helpline team a little bit. So myself and our charity director met with Tommy initially to go through kind of an overview of the charity, what we and the service that we're running, what we were hoping to kind of consider, and he was really, really warm and matched us with Gary Lynch, our volunteer, who sort of took us through all the nuts and bolts of things. He came with a lot of very relevant experience and was able to kind of channel that into what we were considering. And although we ultimately decided that AI chatbots and live chat wasn't where we wanted to go, now we feel in a much clearer position for if we do decide to do that further down the line, and we've got a really clear plan in the interim as well. So yeah, he was really, really well matched to us.
Gary was kind of quite helpful and patient with them, listened to them around, okay guys, I've done my first level analysis, you're not in that space yet, you can't do this now. What else can I help you with? And I think that's when it got to the point of helping them with business strategy, business planning, reviewing their current processes.
So Gary gave us some really clear sort of direction and things to think about, and so we've actually made some practical steps already from his help. We have a better idea of how many people who call us have used our online services before calling, and the reasons why they have or why they haven't used those. We've also implemented FAQs on our website, and we are in the process of doing a full information update and evidence review, so that ultimately it'll be much easier for us to keep everything updated going forward, which has been really, really helpful and really insightful.
I think it's really sharpened their focus, and they became much more re-energized and enabled to deliver the solutions that they needed to their communities in a much more sustainable way.